Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a display name on the reddit.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, then tap on your username in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on user settings. After that, click on profile at the top, and here you can find a display name that you can set. As you can see, it doesn't change your username, so just type in your display name, and that's it. As you can see down below, changes have been saved, so your display name will be displayed automatically when you post something on Reddit or you comment. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.